Welcome to Tales, Fables and Chronicles. Today's story is a clever tale of friendship, betrayal and brains over brawn. Let's dive into The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once upon a time, deep in a forest, by the side of a quiet river, lived a clever little monkey on a big jamun tree. These jamuns are the best, so juicy and sweet. The monkey was happy. He had food, shade, and the cool breeze from the river. Life was perfect. One hot afternoon, a crocodile swam up to the river bank. He looked weak and very hungry. Crocodile said, "Oh, I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything all day." "Hey there, friend. You look tired. Would you like some jamuns?" The crocodile gratefully ate the fruits and smiled. That day on, the monkey and the crocodile became friends. Every day the monkey tossed fruits down and the two would talk and laugh together. Monkey to crocodile, "If I had a tail like yours, I'd swim across the river every day." Crocodile laughed and said, "If I had your hands, I'd climb this tree and eat all your jamuns." One day, the crocodile carried some jamuns home to his wife. She ate them, and her eyes lit up with greed, and said, "These are amazing. If the fruit is this sweet, just imagine how sweet the monkey's heart must be." Crocodile shocked. "What? No, he's my friend." Wife becomes angry. "I want that monkey's heart. Bring it to me or don't come back." The crocodile was torn. He didn't want to hurt his friend, but he also didn't want to upset his wife. So he came up with a plan. Crocodile to monkey. "Friend, my wife was so happy with the fruits, she wants to invite you to lunch. Hop on, I'll take you across the river." Monkey was excited. "Wow, that sounds lovely. Let's go." And the monkey climbed onto the crocodile's back. They floated gently into the deep river when suddenly the crocodile slowed down. Crocodile to monkey, "I must tell you the truth. My wife wants to eat your heart." The monkey was shocked, but he stayed calm and cleverly said, "Oh no, why didn't you tell me before? I left my heart back on the tree." Crocodile was surprised and said, "You left it in the tree?" Monkey said, "Yes, let's go back and get it." The crocodile turned around and swam back to the shore. As soon as they reached the tree, the monkey jumped up high into the branches. "You tricked me, and I tricked you back. Now leave and never come near me again." The crocodile hung his head in shame and swam away. And so, the clever monkey saved his life with his wit. Moral of the story: in times of danger, don't panic. Think wisely. Wisdom is always stronger than strength. If you enjoyed this story, tap the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tales, Fables and Chronicles for more magical stories every week.